What's good, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. Yeah, I got here a couple of watch bands for Apple Watch 4. Now, this one is a discounted type of band. One of my favorite sports nylon breathable bands from a company called Syre. Now, according to their Amazon page, their bands are compatible with the 4321 series 38mm, 40mm, 42, 44mm bands. You can get this in 16 different colors they have them in. So right here I have what they call like this black, well, I got the black breathable nylon band, and this one is like a dark olive that I picked up. They're all $9.99. Just go to their website and pick out pretty much whatever color you want. They're pretty cheap, so you can probably pick out one for every day of the week. This also will make a good Christmas gift for somebody who has picked up a Apple Watch. But I've been wearing this one for the week. On the inside, they have 5 little Velcro strips that helps adhere the band, and you can fit it to any size you want. Very easy to take off and on. I had pretty big hands, so I'm able to get this through without actually having to re-thread it back through the loop. But for the most part, I kind of like it. I like it, well, not kind of like it, I like it a lot. They're a better alternative to the more expensive Apple Watches. They're more cheaper alternative to some of the bands you can see at the Apple store. And they're also a lot more color choices. Let you see how I look. I've been sporting this one pretty much for a while. Give you an idea of how it looks. Pretty smooth. I like these a lot. Again, $9.99, 16 different colors. I'll leave the links and everything down below in the description. For those who want to see what the olive looks like, let me get it on for you. Now, the one thing you have to make sure that you specify in the ordering process that you want a particular size band. On the bottom of this one, I asked for a 44mm band, and they still sent me a 42mm band. So let's put to the test of if there's truth in their advertisement. All right, let's give it a try. Even though on the paper it says 42mm, looks like it's a good fit. Real nice, it does fit. So regardless of the labeling on the package, it seems to get the job done and fit quite nice. Nice breathable nylon fabric from Syre, S-Y-R-E. They $9.99. I'll leave all the links and everything down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Other than that, catch everybody in the next video.